Do you ever have those days where you just feel really like this is a terrible day? I just want to give myself some grace today and get as much as I can get done with the energy that I have. Matcha makes everything so much better. Good morning, bestie. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a whole new day. I just made my matcha. Yesterday I wasn't having a good day. I was really down. Do you ever have those days where you just feel really like this is a terrible day? Yeah, that was me. That was me yesterday. Just everything was just not what I wanted yesterday to be like, and I decided that today will be completely different. So I wanted to do things that would make me feel better. I was gonna like wake up and then just make my matcha and then play a video game. I'm gonna do my hair because my hair is all oily, so I think I'm gonna oil it, and then we're gonna put on makeup, we're gonna put on a new outfit, we're gonna put on jewelry, get things done. I have an order to pack and ship out today, and then I wanted to rearrange my office, and I think that would make me feel a lot better. And then I think once I'm in a new space and I'm doing things like with my hands and not really looking at the screen besides like my phone for content creation, I think that it will be a lot better. So if that's the kind of thing that you're interested in, please stay tuned for this video. Matcha makes everything so much better. So much better. I'm gonna put earrings on first though, because I don't know what it is, just food always makes me feel like I have my life put back together. I got my ear pierced here. I got a conch shell, but it got infected, so I had to take her out. I was so sad. And I think we're also gonna work out today. I don't really feel like going to the gym today. I'll probably do like some calisthenics and like a bike workout at home. I just want to give myself some grace today and just like get as much as I can get done with the energy that I have. So we're just gonna keep on going. I think I like her. Girl, I was going through it yesterday. I was not the woman that I wanted to be yesterday, but today is a whole new day, and it's gonna be different today. We're gonna be great and happy, and we're gonna be productive. We're gonna get done. This is the boutique that I have my stickers in, so I like it. I haven't restocked my stickers at her shop yet, but I wanted to create new artwork before I reach out to other local businesses, because I felt like I was just making a bunch of stickers, but I wasn't really creating stickers for my designs. I wanted to just create, and I think that's what I'm going to focus on the rest of this year, is just creating, because I feel like I was too wrapped up in like making sales and everything. I never really got back into like the joy of creating, which I feel like is what it is to be an artist. You just create, you know, you just do things that make you feel like your soul is happy, and that's what, especially if it's something that I'm doing outside of my full-time job. I didn't want this small business to feel like a job. I wanted it to feel like something that brought me joy and happiness, and for a while it really did feel like another job, and because of that I kind of procrastinated on creating stuff. But ever since I did my consistently creating series, I fell in love with watercolor. It's just fun again, so I just wanted to focus on doing fun things, especially if it's not like my full-time job or something. Like, I don't want to put too much pressure on something, because when I do, it's like it has to be perfect, and then I get like analysis paralysis where I just stop. So I have a to-do list that I wrote the other day, and I have two sections. So I have the first section, which is adult things to do, which is I have a 401k, another thing where I have to schedule my medical appointments and my business revamp. I have a sticker sheet, which I'll probably do over the weekend. The main thing that I want to do is pack my order today and then possibly move my desk into our bedroom. Our bedroom has a lot more light and there's AC, so it's not as hot. So I will probably try to do that. So I'm going to work on my 401k stuff now. Here's the vision. Okay, so I finished all my non-fun 401k stuff and it all worked out. I'm glad that I did it earlier because where I'm at, they close at around 12 my time, so I finished it before they could close and I needed them to do something on their end, so it worked out. Now I want to go ahead and move my desk where it is now into our bedroom. It is really messy right now. So like my office area, I think I'm gonna move this whole desk area into the other room. Two cats, Proto and Sam, cuties. So right here there's a lot of light and I really like that there's a lot of light. It makes me want to create a lot more, and there's also like a big window right over here, so I really like that. I'm gonna put my desk here and we're gonna move this over here, these into the other room. I think that's a good idea, so let's get started. Also, side note, my boyfriend got me this really pretty pink hibiscus yesterday and I really love her. She's so pretty. I need to get like a little cup or something to put her in. Alright, so now that I'm basically done with my 401k and adulting and moving my office space around so that I have more of a consistent light, which I like a lot better, even though it's a little bit cramped in here. I like feeling comfortable in my space when I'm creating or editing or what have you. But now, since all of that is done, the next thing on my to-do list is to pack and ship out one of my Etsy orders, and I have my inventory right here, so I have what is needed. So let's go ahead and pack and ship an Etsy order. And let me show you, if you've ever had a cat, I literally just put this chair here. Hello. And there he is, just, you know, in my space. And he knows it too. Look at him. He knows it. We're listening to some EDM. We're gonna listen to Locked In by Subtronics and Wooly. right, so now that I'm done packing the order, that took maybe about 15 minutes, give or take. It was a little bit longer because I had to grab stuff in the other room and make sure that it was working, and it was, which is really good. And now we're gonna go ahead and go to the post office so I can mail it out and close the order and complete the order today on Etsy. Thank you all so much for watching, and if this is something that you enjoy, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help in growing this community, and until next week, I'll see you folks later. Bye.